Thank you very much, Excellency. I and my delegation is very grateful to you for sparing your time and for your warm welcome and the wonderful hospitality that you had here and coming this morning to meet you. I also carry a little sense of guilt. I was very keen to attend the 13th the meeting of the High Representatives in May, but at the last moment I got COVID, and therefore probably it was not advisable for me to come for such a high-level meeting in which so many distinguished persons are coming. So my most profound apologies for that. You have very rightly mentioned, Excellency, that we have got a very special relationship, a long relationship, and we highly value our strategic partnership. We have had high-level engagements, and these high-level engagements have contributed very substantially. We are very excited and delighted to learn about the visit of His Excellency the President of Russia, President Putin, to India. I think that the dates are almost finalized now. The more important thing is this, that is, these summit meetings have always been the watershed points. They have always given a new direction to our relations. What is there that we can add in substance in terms of deliverables for this talk? So I do hope that this meeting at this point of time will give us some new ideas and throw up some new things that we can make the forthcoming meeting more worthwhile. Excellency, I would also like to thank you and Russia, and particularly the President Putin, and the Prime Minister has specially asked me to convey his very thanks, which I will probably convey to the President also when I meet him, about the support that he gave where India was attacked, had faced a very gruesome terrorist attack on 22nd April. We lost about 26 innocent people who had gone to a tourist stay, this thing. And we are committed, as you are committed, to fight against terrorism with all our might. I'll brief you about the details in the little letter. The 25th session of the Indo-Russian Intergovernmental Session on Trade, Science, Technology, Culture was a very great success. A lot of new things have come, and a lot of things, follow-up actions have got to be taken. So we probably will be talking about that in much greater detail during the course of this thing. But Excellency, here I think you said that the world is passing through a very tumultuous situation. There's some unpredictability, there's some things that are uncertainties. And in an environment like this, our old strategic and privileged partnership has got a very special role. But I would like to hear from you your overall perception of the larger global situation, and probably that will give us a little more clarity. And though we know at each other's position, we had been exchanging our thoughts and ideas at various levels from time to time, but still I would like to hear from you. How are you perceiving the various conflicts and the various issues which are beleaguering our global environment? Thank you.